Okay, we have a brand new windstorm here in Winnsboro, South Carolina, and the winds are going strong here. And as you can see, the winds are coming. And we're under a high wind warning. And so, as you see, the cars are passing through. And, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The winds are coming. Winds, we are under a high wind warning. And, yeah. Oh my gosh! Damn! Oh my gosh! So, this is a high wind storm. Winds are kicking out of the southwest at 40 miles per hour. And, yeah. I think got the windstorm footage I wanted to. So, talk to you later. Bye!